How to get the reset button on Block Blast. Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can get the reset button on Block Blast. So for that, first of all, obviously you'll have to open your Block Blast game, and once you're here on your Block Blast game, you can select any of the mode which you want to play. You can either play adventure or classic. For example, if I'm playing classic, and this is the game which I was already playing earlier, and you can see that it is really messed up right now, so my chances of getting high score is very less apparently. So now if I say that I want to restart my game from the start without losing my progress or without losing my streak, so what I have to do, or what you have to do, is click on this gear icon on the top right. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be able to see this replay button over here. And what you have to do is just click on this green play button, which is in front of this replay button. So once you click on this button, you'll be able to see that your score is set to 0 back and your blocks are cleared. So you can restart your game and your game has been resetted. So that is how you can get the reset button on Block Blast. If you found the tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.